Okay, we have deployed the big picture fast API project on the railway. Now we want to deploy the related front end project to the Vercel and Netlify. So first, I prepared the project link here in the upload EU repositories. You should go there and then fork the project on your repository, your repositories, and create fork. And then you can see this repository on your project. And then you should go to your Netlify. My Netlify is my GitHub. I connected to my GitHub, but it's the free account. It is not premium, but it's okay. So you select the new project. Okay, and then deploy the project. Okay, it's nice. I think it's finished. You can go to the project and see the result. Yes, it's deployed successfully, and you can test the project. And you can see the result here. Also for the Vercel, my Vercel account is free account and connected to my GitHub repository. I can choose the big picture frontend and import, and then it's automatically assign the name and deploy. It's deployed very fast, and you can see the deployment. Yes, it works well. It's requested the backend. Consider that I chose the backend address in the repository, but it doesn't work for you. You should first deploy the backend on the backend system and then apply the front end. Now I show you how does it work in your local system. So you should download the repository. And then you should put the download the unzipped file in somewhere. I put on the desktop. Yes. Open VS Code. Big picture frontend. Yes, open the terminal, and I put the command on the README file. First, you should install the Node.js on your system. I show you here in this address, Node.js. You should download and install on your system, and then implement these commands. But the settings are on pnpm. Okay, You can see the node modules on here, and then you should run the pnpm for build. Okay, there isn't any problem, and we can go to the next step for development server that you can see the run in your local machine, and you should go to localhost. Yes, you can see that if you run, it's connect to your backend and is can show the results. The most important thing here, I put the description here that now in this root and lib this address here, line 17, I put the address of the backend in this project here. You can see is backend. What is the address? Is the address from the railway that I deployed before in the previous video. Here, if you go to your railway and this project, yes, it's for the FastAPI backend. It's the same address here. I put this address here. If you don't have this address, if you didn't deploy the FastAPI backend, you can also run the backend on your local machine. So I show you if I comment this and active the backend. It doesn't work now because my backend is not activated. You can see if I go to my local host and if I put the optimize, now I have the error in fetching the data. So what should I do? I should open another VS Code and run the backend on my local machine. So I show you how to do this for your backend, the big picture of FastAPI. You should open it, and after installing the virtual environment and the requirements of the package, you should activate your virtual environment, and with unicorn command, you can activate your backend system with this address in the local machine. So now it is activated, and if you go to this address, your local front end, if you select the optimize, yes, it gets the information from your backend, and you can see the log here. Now it is from your local system. If I select again, yes, this works. Also, you can see the same for the railway. That here in the railway, if you go to the logs, HTTP logs, you can see the same for your deployment on the railway.